Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain Huawei P Smart Hard Reset or Pattern Unlock. Press and hold the power button to power off the Huawei P Smart. Once it's fully turned off, connect it to your computer using the Type-C cable. While connected, press and hold the volume up key. When the recovery mode appears on the screen, navigate through options using the volume rocker and confirm selections with the power key. Select the Clear Data or Factory Reset option from the menu. Confirm the reset by selecting Yes and proceed to choose the Factory Reset section. Wait for the reset process to complete. Once completed, go back to the main menu and select Restart to turn on the device. After the reset is finished, your phone will be restored to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device anew. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.